Welcome back to this new video guys of TechExpress. In a latest tutorial we show you how to generate your own dropshipping products. Now I'm going to be showing you how to get started with some AI digital products, and this is a beginner's guide. So to get started, of course, the first thing to do is to choose a profitable product. Your best bet is to focus into products that are low effort to produce and have high percentage value. So you can focus, for example, for printable and art. Think unique wall art, seamless patterns for fabric sticker designers, or even highly niche coloring book pages. Tools like Midjourney, DALL-E can generate this in seconds. So look for niche that minimalist, dark academia art, or cat theme wedding planners, right? So once you can find this, you can find templates and tools. You can use artificial intelligence like ChatGPT, you can use Cloudy, you can use to generate niche content like 100 prompts for social media marketers, unique cocktail recipes. So package this content into a beautiful Canva template and sell this template. So let's start, for example, from this specific website to sell some patterns. I'm going to be using Canva for artificial intelligence generation. Directly here into Canva, what I'm going to be doing here is to go directly into my home and dashboard. I'm going to head for the option that says create. Here for create, I'm going to focus for something like, let's say I'm going to generate an actual pattern. So I'm going to look out for the option that says custom size. Let's go for 3000 by 3000. And when I select here my actual Canva, what I need to do is to start with the actual product that I would like to sell. So I'm going to focus, for example, here into the elements, and let's say that I look out for spooky white pattern with dark background, and I generate my images with artificial intelligence. I'm going to use these artificial intelligence patterns so I can paste it into an actual product used with artificial intelligence. This would be my my company, my brand, for example. So for example, this pattern, I like this, for example, this element, how it looks. If you wanted to, you can have the background remover. There are a few elements that are only working with Canva Pro. We're going to stick around with this element for now. So here I have, for example, my mug, my design for my actual mug. So I look out for the option that says share, download. This is my actual size, and I only select my first page. With this being said, I hit for download. Then what I need to do, of course, is to import this actual element, the code creation done by artificial intelligence. Let's say that we can save this for pattern number 1, dark. That would be actually it. Let's head back and let's head directly here back into Shopify. Here now we can add a professional touch. For example, we can use a simple cover, thank you note, clear folder structure, raise the perceptive AI value. Remember, anyone can use artificial intelligence. So here what I'm going to be doing here to generate, for example, is a new element. So to sell an actual product, let's say, for example, that I would like to sell this image, for example, I go for product and I go for add a product. So here, let's say, for example, let's go for AI dark pattern, and I go for description, and let's say AI dark pattern digital download that we can paste everywhere. And let's say I ask the artificial intelligence of Shopify to generate something more sophisticated, and I generate my actual description for this specific product. And here it is. So I go for keep. Here's my title, here's my description, and now I can upload my actual media. I can suggest you to yes import this product, but you wanted to add a watermark so you don't miss this media. Try to upload this with a little bit of less resolution so you don't get banned or kicked for that. And you wanted, of course, to add this with an actual specific markup. So in the page number 2, directly for Canva, what you can do is to head back. You can go directly for elements, and you can select, for example, this element mockups. So what you can do is just to import one mockup and this element, and here what you can do is to import your product, in my case my actual pattern. So you can import this specific pattern directly into your mockup. You can import this specific product into your mockup, so your customers can see like a visual of how it's going to be looking, the actual product they're actually buying, or maybe in this case purchasing. So what I'm going to be doing here is now to go once again for the option that says share, page number 2 only. I go for download, and you're good to go. Now this is just an example of how you can actually sell your product with artificial intelligence using, for example, Shopify. But what you can do if you wanted to is that you can sell somewhere else. For example, what you can do is that you can sell directly products in, for example, into Etsy. Say Etsy, for example, we can sell vintage elements, custom elements with artificial intelligence, handmade elements, which is much more faster to sell your own stuff. You can sell this into Amazon, for example. You can sell this into your social medias, for example. You can sell it somewhere else. But basically, this is just like a very basic way of how you can sell digital AI elements into your own website, into social media, or into some other marketplace. So with this being said, guys, we have reached the very end of the video, so don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more great tools how you can get started selling this kind of elements. So thank you so much for watching the video, guys. Once again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hopefully with all of this being said, we can all see you guys next time.